electrified. I'm driving through the night, smoking a cigarette, windows down. I'm feeling this beat so hot. Living fast, I'm electrified. 6 a.m. time to move away. She's holding me back, wants us to escape. She hold my arm with her cold hands. We running like there's no time to wait. Driving through the night, she kissed my neck and she holds me tight. I feel her heartbeat getting fast. Looking